Have you ever felt like something inside you broke, and you weren't sure if it could ever be healed again? That's how Elijah the Sparrow felt. After a fierce storm, his wing was hurt, and the world seemed too big, too broken, too painful to fly in again. Elijah tried to fly but stumbled, his heart heavy with sadness. He retreated into the hollow of the tree, feeling defeated. The sky darkened, mirroring his despair. But even in the darkest times, hope can find a way. The moonlight bathed the withered tree, casting a gentle glow. Elijah nestled in the hollow, finding a small comfort in the night. And so, his journey of healing began.
But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord.
He heard something in his heart, a whisper of hope. Not loud, not fast, but real. The morning light brought a promise of renewal. The sparrow, once injured, now felt the warmth of a new beginning.
You're not alone. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. That's from Psalm 147, you know.
Elijah listened, not just to Micah, but to the truth behind her words. His wings still ached, but his heart felt a little stronger. The forest seemed to whisper promises of healing and hope.
I am the Lord who heals you.
Healing didn't come all at once. Step by step, Elijah discovered the truth. Pain doesn't mean God has left. It means God is about to show how deeply he can restore. The sparrow's journey mirrored Elijah's own path to healing, each flap of its wings a testament to resilience and faith. What if your wounds became the very reason you learned how to fly again? Sometimes, it's the brokenness that teaches us to soar higher. And in the presence of those who care, we find the strength to heal. Just like this branch, we too can mend and grow stronger. Remember, God heals and restores. If this touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to Hope and Love in God's Kingdom. And tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment of encouragement, healing, and God's truth. Just when you need it most. Your journey to healing starts here.